Hi brides, it's Samantha from BlancaVeils.com. Today I want to talk to you all about our new Monomore wedding bell collection. I want to show you what makes these bells so unique and why I think that every bride must have one of these on their wedding day. Have you ever been a bridesmaid or maybe been in the getting ready room the day of the wedding and it comes time to put the wedding bell on and it takes a whole group of people? It takes everybody to figure out how to put the wedding bell on, or how to make it stay securely, or even how to work around all the bobby pins that are in your hair. This is actually why this three-piece bell comb was created. A wedding photographer noticed that wedding after wedding, it seems that this was always an issue. So this is what a Monomore wedding bell looks like. The bell itself is no different from our other wedding bell collection. Each one is still custom handmade to order exactly how you like it. However, what makes this collection so unique is the actual hairpiece. The beauty of this comb is that your hairstylist will place the bell comb into your hair. They can secure the comb the morning of your wedding and you will not have to remove it. This comb has a magnetic locking technology that allows the comb to be placed into your hairstyle with no need for removal, which makes securing and swapping a Monomore wedding bell and embellishment quick and simple. The beauty of this comb is that while you're getting your hair done, your hairstylist will actually place the bell comb into your hair. She's going to bobby pin it in. They're going to make sure that it's tight and secure all day long, so you don't have to worry about it at all. There's no guesswork for your bridesmaids or for you when it comes time to putting your wedding bell on. A Monomore wedding bell is the most versatile wedding bell on the market today. This innovative design allows you to remove and reattach the bell easily. For your wedding bell, you can choose to have a standard silver bridal comb, or you can choose to upgrade your bell to a Monomore wedding bell. If you choose the Monomore wedding bell, you will receive all three pieces. One will already be attached to your bell, and then you will receive a hair comb and a rhinestone embellishment. All day long you can swap back and forth, from traveling to and from the venue and reception, or maybe you want to wear your bell in some of your pictures but not all of them. This comb allows for this to happen easily without sacrificing your hairstyle. This is what makes a Monomore wedding bell the most versatile wedding bell on the market today.